Jesse woke up this morning with a terrible fever. Can't even breathe. He thinks he's dying. And so we're gonna check on him. Let's see how he's doing. Oh, look at him. He looks miserable. How are you feeling? Scale 1 to 10.
10's the worst.
Yeah.
10.
Like, so you're like near death, you would say.
9.
What makes you think that?
I feel like death.
Is there anything I can get you? For the...
Turn that camera off.
No. You need a video for today, and I'm gonna help you.
Hey there, Jay. Zero Power James here. I'm not faking this shit. This is bad. I thought it was gonna get progressively better. I'm talking too much already. But it got worse. Excruciating just to swallow and talk right now.
Yeah. Yeah, since you woke up about half hour ago.
This is what I get.
Got a fever, the whole 9. So
You only get one upload a day. Probably one upload tomorrow. We're going to one upload. That should be fucking boring as hell.
no, it's not. I'm here. How can it possibly be boring?
Good luck.
I'm gonna make it fun. I know I'm not as cool, but I will do my damnedest.
Okay, you sleep.
You need to take some Robitussin. Meds.
Got a cough out.
What?
Got a cough drop.
Coughed up.
The fuck was that? The fuck is that? What the hell? What the fuck? Holy shit!
Dad? What the fuck are you doing here?
Dad, you can't be in here when I'm working right now. You're not! Get away, put it back! What are you gonna chainsaw me? What are you... Dad! 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 Dad!
Oh shit! Holy shit!